Today we're opening the big Lankybox mystery box. Come in, Dominic. Say hi to everyone, Dominic. This is my brother, everyone. Okay, now it's time for me to pull it out. Okay, there you go. Are you serious? Okay, now we're going to use scissors. Here, there you go. And now time to be very careful with scissors.
Yeah, be careful with scissors. Don't use them.
Did I just break it? Did I just break it? Oh. This is made out of metal hard.
It's not made out of metal hard.
Subscribe, everyone. Because today we are seeing my brother. Okay, come on.
All right, open
Come
it.
on.
You want me to help you?
I need.
Okay, now
Okay, that was quick. For me. Okay, now come on. Now, let's see which way. Okay, this way. Come on.
Oh!
I don't want to break this, okay, everyone? Oh, come on. Did I break it or scratch it? No. I have the power of strength. Okay, guys, I'm opening it. How's this dog? Oh, dog's already good open. Okay, I opened mine. I'm just gonna wait for Dominic. Let's check it out this big. Oh, he's already opened it. Look at the foxy.
I couldn't open it yet.
Come on. Oh, here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at these guys. Oh my gosh. Now we're putting these all together. Now, it's time to open them. No, I need to. I got it. Okay. So we're just gonna wait.
Did everyone saw that? Everyone.
Since it's there. Okay, now time to open it.
I already opened it.
So
Hey guys, what's
this one question?
No way.
Okay, let's just open this first, okay? Whatever Dominic gets, he's gonna open it too, okay? Let's open it, guys. Ooh.
Wait, I hope I guess. Wait, did I go?
Look at what I got.
Wait, what the? No way. No way.
No way.
What the? I just got another one of
Oh, I got Lankybox squishy. Did I just get it? Did I just get Lankybox squishy?
Who's that? Rocky! That's Rocky!
Is this Rocky? This is Rocky Sideward. Look at this, guys. Look, this is Rocky Sideward. I was just going to put it right there. Okay. Let's open another one.
Well, hey guys, do you think what I'm going to get? What will I get?
Okay, my opening. Wait, there's something squishy in here. I hope
Why did I get another boxy?
Dominic keeps getting same thing.
Wait, is this yours?
Oh, I got Foxy, everyone. Look.
Oh, this is
Let's put him right there.
Oh,
Can everyone
you
see
copied
that?
me. See?
Oh. Are you serious? Okay, we're getting not lucky enough. I hope I get golden boxing in this one. Maybe I won't. Come on.
Oh. Wait, who did I even get?
Just be careful with it.
Wait, is this sticky? Is this?
I know. Oh, you just broke. Oh my gosh, you just flipped it out of here.
Get
I'm
out of
opening
here.
this.
Oh, it's sticky.
A big. I just got sticky. Look at this, everyone. Did I already get them?
Yeah,
No, I
you did.
think not. No, I got him as a plushie, but I lost him, I think. Yeah, I lost him. Well, we put him right there. Now, time to go.
Okay, now, is there the last one? Or I'm already done?
No, I forgot about this. These are the stickers. I'll show these later, okay, guys? Now, I'm going to show these guys.
Oh, I forgot about one. Wait, is there these stickers?
Oh, yeah, there is.
No, there's no stickers. There are no stickers.
Yes, there is. I got the Foxy one. I got Foxy Foxy, look at this, everyone. Just put it right there.
What the? No. I got. What the? Can you open it?
No. That's a legendary, actually.
Let's go.
Please, legendary. Everyone, subscribe for a legendary for me, okay? Dominik got a legendary. I have to get a legendary code again. Okay, guys? Subscribe, please. I need to get a legendary. I got the same thing. Everyone, look. I got the same thing. Let's put them right there.
What?
I got legendary. Oh, guys, I'm going to show my old ones that I got in my room over there, okay?
No way.
Did it got sticky? I did got sticky. I got sticky! Sticky. Oh. Now, it's time to open the stickers, and then we move on to my old toys that I opened back when it was Christmas, I think?
Nah.
Yeah, it was Christmas. Okay, time to open the stickers. I got sticky and candy. Okay, time to open these. Oh, come on, this is really hard.
Who did I get?
Ghosty! Ghosty, there's 3 stickers in here, actually. But you just have to open it, Dominik.
Oh, yeah. I opened it.
Okay, let's see. Sticky and Candy, Foxy, and Foxy. That's it. Now, it's time to show mine. Okay, after Dominik.
No way did I got Rocky. No way I got Rocky.
Why did Dominik, try to open this legendary? If you open this legendary, it automatically breaks. Okay, time to show it. Wait,
I got Rocky.
Oh, Rocky. Let me see. Oh, what? Okay, time to go. Come on, guys.
Oh, guys. Now, okay, I'll read the cat.
Dominik, show him everything I got. No, don't show him mine.
Hey, guys. Look. Now I got the red rock. I got a real.
Oh, we saw that. No. These are the surprise. Lankybox. See him, everyone? Lankybox. And Candy. I lost, wait. Sticky. Sticky is in my brother's room. And there was baby Foxy of one of these. There was some more of those, but we opened all of these. It took 8 minutes, and we're trying to pick up these, okay? And then we will do something.
It's kind of dirty.
Okay? Look, guys. Look, you always have to clean up. We will show these things one more time, and then we will say bye-bye. Okay? We will put these scissors back where they go.
Okay.
Dominik scissors. Dominik, did you just clean up your mess? Clean up your mess.
I would have put them inside.
Did you open this? Yeah, I opened it. Okay. So now, let's show them one more time, and then we'll say bye. Look, I got wait, did you open the squishies? Yeah, you opened this. So we got
Cyborg Roxy.
Yeah, Cyborg Roxy. Squishy. Okay. That's just the first one. Okay, now it's Foxy. Foxy? Say hello, everyone, to Foxy. Hi. Okay, now it's time for Sticky. Yo, what's this? Okay. Okay, now it is this legendary Rocky. That's red. Okay, I just dropped it. Okay, he's gonna be right next to Cyborg Rocky.
That's Comet. That's the clean rock.
Okay.
Let's see.
Now this. Okay. Okay, now it's Lankybox, and it's this. Oh, I almost forgot. You can use these little things. You can take them off and put it on your backpack. If you have a backpack, you can just put this on your backpack. That's what I tried with my first one, and it was a ghosty when I put it on my backpack. My mom helped me, so no big deal. So now is my stickers. I added another one of these, remember? I added another one of these, but I didn't show it on video because I forgot you can make videos. So let's see. Boxy again? Oh, he just flinched out of my house. Boxy the boy. Now put him right there. Hope he doesn't do anything bad. Okay, now Sticker Foxy. We're putting right there. And Sticky and Candy. Okay. And now my Lankybox. Oh, what did you just do?
Guys, I did have a baby Boxy plushie. It was really cute.
Then go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Mwah. Mwah. Subscribe, everyone, because Dominik's going to show you his plush. Okay, let me talk about more of them. So, actually, I watch Lankybox on YouTube sometimes. I have to do my chores like Lankybox says. And I open their mystery boxes. 2 mystery boxes. Okay, guys? And one thing, we cleaned up the trash. I need some water. I'm going to get some water.
Who do you have to thank for your Lankybox?
Yeah. Couldn't find him? Just come here. Okay? He will talk about his Lankybox right now when he gets here. Okay? We will talk about it. My tita gave me this. I'm going to say thank you to God. Thank you. Let me have this. Okay, now, Dominik's supposed to be here right now. I'm going to go check on him. Or should I just talk about these? Okay, I should talk about these, okay? Look at him. You could like pretend it's like closing. Oh, I almost forgot. Look. Okay, next one. Oh, baby Boxy. Boxy the boy. You stop there, yeah. Look, can I just have it? Is that my Boxy? That's my Boxy. Okay, he can keep it. So this is Guy.
Yes, Mom.
Boxy again. That he just got. I'm not gonna show that yet. Okay, Foxy, that can turn their head. And keychain. Remember, I said you can put these on your backpack. Okay, put those right there.
They're relaxing. Stop it.
And stop it. Red. Is this really a legendary?
Yeah, it is.
So comment if you have this guy, but Lankybox has all of them, I think. Yeah, they do. So now, the last but not least, baby Boxy. Oh, baby Boxy. Okay, bye guys. Subscribe. Bye. Oh.